Welcome to Jamaican Things, and today we'll be counting down the top 10 tourist attractions in Jamaica. For this list, we looked at places in Jamaica that we think have the highest points of interest for tourists to the island. Number 10. The Brae Rafting Village. About 6 miles south of Falmouth, Trelawney is home to Jamaica's number one rafting attraction, featuring 6 acres of beautifully manicured lawns and over 3 miles of the magnificent Brae River. Visitors are offered a raft ride on a 30-foot-long bamboo raft. The village also has on location a souvenir shop, bar, restaurant, and restrooms. Number 9. James Bond Beach. Located in the parish of St. Mary, just about 20 minutes outside of Ocho Rios, is the crystal clear waters of James Bond Beach. Famous not only by its name, but the beach is also well known for its fabulous fresh fish, seafood, and breathtaking scenery. If you happen to be in Jamaica for your next vacation, be sure to visit James Bond Beach. We promise you won't regret it. Number 8. The Hope Botanical Gardens. The Royal Botanical Garden, commonly called Hope Gardens, occupies 200 acres of land in the parish of St. Andrew. Famous for its variety of rare and beautiful species of tropical plants, including Jamaica's national tree, the blue maho. The garden is open every day to visitors from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Number 7. The Blue Mountains. When you hear the name Blue Mountains, you probably start thinking about coffee. However, this mountain is also famous for its scenic views and hiking trails. The mountain is Jamaica's longest mountain range, occupying parishes of Portland, St. Thomas, St. Mary, and St. Andrew. It is said that on a clear day, one can see the island of Cuba while standing on Blue Mountain's peak. Number 6. Mayfield Falls. The perfect escape for nature lovers, located in the parish of Westmoreland, this attraction is the home of 2 beautiful waterfalls, 21 natural spring water pools, and a variety of exotic flowers, birds, and butterflies, native to Jamaica. With trained tour guides on site, you're sure to find something exciting to do at Mayfield Falls. Number 5. Green Grotto Caves. Take a journey into Jamaica's underworld charm. Green Grotto Cave features a cavern of adventure and mystery that will have visitors in awe as they venture deep into the island's secret depths. In 2009, the site received platinum status certification for their world-class performance. Located between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay and covering over 25 acres of land, we recommend shorts and sneakers for this trip. Number 4. Doctor's Cave Beach. Located on the hip strip in Montego Bay, Doctor's Cave Beach was awarded the title of Best Beach in Mo Bay. The beach is open every day and is a must-visit spot for tourists to the island. The beach has an exclusive club to which members are treated to unlimited access to the beach and private facilities on site for 1 year. Number 3. Bob Marley Museum. Located in Kingston, the museum is the home of the legendary musician. The museum has original furniture once used by Bob Marley, and fans of the reggae superstar flock to visit the site. With a restaurant on location, one can sit back, relax, and enjoy a day at the Bob Marley Museum. Number 2. Dolphin's Cove Marine Park. Ever wanted to swim with dolphins? If so, then on your next trip to Jamaica, Dolphin's Cove and Marine Park is where you should be. With 3 locations in Jamaica, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and at the Moon Palace Jamaica Grand, visitors are able to swim with dolphins and interact with exotic birds or just relax on the site's glistening white sandy beach. At Dolphin's Cove, there's a little something for everyone. Before we reveal our top attraction in Jamaica, here are a few honorable mentions. Number 1. Dunn's River Falls. Located in Ocho Rios, this historical falls has become Jamaica's most popular attraction. According to the Urban Development Corporation, Dunn's River is said to be the site of the Battle of Las Chorreras. The site was also included in a James Bond film, and the river flows directly into the Caribbean Sea. The falls is home to several lagoons where one can hang out, though climbing the falls is Dunn's River's most popular activity. Do you agree with our list?
Huh? Do you?
Subscribe to Jamaican Things. Thanks for watching.